Hello everyone, welcome to my channel You Go Tech, where I share tips and tricks on how to make money online. I am going to show you some of the best YouTube channel ideas that can earn a lot of money in 2024. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, what are some high earning YouTube channel ideas that you can try in 2024? Here are my top 5 picks. Gaming is one of the most popular and profitable niches in YouTube. You can create video on gaming news, reviews, tutorial, live streaming, challenges and more. You can also collaborate with other gamers and brands to increase your exposure and revenue. Some of the most successful gaming channels on YouTube are PewDiePie, Marky Pillar and Ninja. Education is another niche that has a huge demand and potential on YouTube, such as language, math, science, history, art and more. You can create videos on any topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. You can also create courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. Some of the most successful education channels on YouTube are Khan Academy, Crash Course and TED. Travel is another niche that can attract a lot of viewers and sponsors on YouTube. You can create video on your travel experiences, tips, guide, culture, food and more. You can also partner with travel agencies, hotels, airlines, tourism board to get free trips and deals. Some of the most successful travel channels on YouTube are Fun for Louis, Lost Leblanc and Drew Winsky. Comedy is another niche that can make you stand out and go viral on YouTube. You can create videos on sketches, pranks, parodies, reactions and more. You can collaborate with other comedians and celebrities to boost your popularity and income. Some of the most successful comedy channels on YouTube are Mr. Beast, David Dobrik and Lily Singh. Music is another niche that can showcase your talent and creative on YouTube. You can create video on covers, originals, remixes, mashups and more. You can also use platforms like Spotify, iTunes and SoundCloud to distribute your music and earn royalties. Some of the most successful music channels on YouTube are Justin Bieber, Ed Sheeran and Marshmello. There are some of the high earning YouTube channel ideas that you can try in 2024. Of course, there are many more niches that you can explore and experiment with, depending on your interests and skill. The key is to be consistent, authentic, and engaging with your audience. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please leave a comment below and let me know what kind of YouTube channel are you want to start or grow in 2024. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye.